Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the boAt Sports Rockerz 255 Pro wireless Bluetooth headset. So these are actually sport earphones that are catered to individuals with a more active and fitness-based lifestyle. So you do see that they come with silicone wings and a rather ergonomic look so that they fit in your ears properly even when you're doing high-intensity workouts or exercises. So now let's look at the box and see some of the specifications. It does have a Qualcomm chip, CVC noise cancelling, connects two devices simultaneously, which is great. It has 10 mm dynamic drivers, which means it will be a bit bass forward probably. And it also has a magnetic lock on the earphones, as you can see right here. So the two earphones stick together magnetically. They also have a battery life of about 6 hours, as well as fast charging, which means 20 minutes of charge will give you 4 hours of playback. They also come with Bluetooth version 5.0 and sweat and water resistance, although the exact IP rating is not mentioned on the box. So now let's do one thing and look at the pamphlet itself, which has a few extra specifications that might help us know more about these earphones. So here you can see that we do have Bluetooth version 5.0. We have a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. We have an operating distance or a Bluetooth distance of 10 meters, which is 33 feet, which is quite sizable. We have CVC noise isolation, which is pretty great for when you're working out in noisy environments. We have a battery of 110 mAh with 6 hours of playback time and 24 hours of standby time, and a mere 1 hour of charging time. We also have driver impedance of 16 ohms, as well as the total weight of 26 grams and a waterproof rating of IPX5. So it is mentioned inside the user manual. So now let's set this aside and look at the earphones themselves. As you can see, they are a neckband style earphones with a pretty flexible design and modules right here. This one has the boAt logo as well as the left indicator, while this one has the right indicator, a boAt logo at the bottom, the buttons, the 3 buttons that help you control music playback and calls, as well as a tiny flap which reveals the micro USB charging port. So let's put that back and look at the cables now. As you can see, the cables are a striking yellow colored, so they're definitely eye-catching, and they have a flat TPE design, which means that they won't tangle too much. The earbuds on the top here have the silicone wings and a rather compact and ergonomic design, which means it should fit in your ear properly. The ear tips are also angled slightly to give you that much of a better fit, and they also have, of course, magnetic housings. The earphone material is actually metal, so it feels quite nice and premium in the hand as well. So that's about it for the overview of the boAt Rockerz 255 Pro earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.